My name is Hana, and I'm from India, but now I live in Barcelona, Spain. I had my surgery 8 days back, and I just had my forehead reconstruction done and my orbital rims, opened up a little bit. Around like 7 or 8 months into my transition, I had a rhinoplasty and a tracheal shave, and my face improved quite a bit with that, but I was still struggling a lot. And I think only after I started seriously looking at FFS and understanding how forehead sort of plays into feminizing a face, I realized that, okay, so that's probably what was missing. My face looks a lot softer now. And also one big difference I have felt is I don't get so many stares on the street when I walk. So, which has been very positive for me. I was getting a bit tired of, being looked at. To be honest, my recovery has been really great. I mean, the evening of the surgery was a bit challenging, but I was well taken care of. And from the next day on, almost every day it has been getting better. And I actually feel quite good. I mean, I have to remind myself to not overexert myself, because sometimes I feel like I can do a lot more, I can walk a lot more than I probably should. So it's been going quite well. I'm really happy with my results. And I think it's gonna get even better. So I'm looking forward to that. But overall, even if it were to stay at this, I'd say it's already kind of life-changing for me. If I were to look back, I would say I would think a lot more about what I consider beautiful, what are the challenges with my face, instead of saying that, okay, forehead would improve it, or touching my chin or jaw would improve it. A lot of times, I think, at least I didn't spend enough time early on thinking about what are my expectations, and once I did that, the decision got a lot easier and I had a lot more faith in going through this process. My friends were already pretty accepting of me as who I was, and I think even I had gotten to the point where I was pretty happy with how I looked. But as I mentioned earlier, the fact that I don't get as many stares on the street is a big thing for me, because it wasn't a good kind of attention, and in fact I don't crave any kind of attention on the street. I just want to live my life, and I think in that sense this surgery helps me blend in better. Maybe 100 years from now, when people are more used to the diversity in women and trans women, this wouldn't be the case, but unfortunately today it is. If I had to sum it up in one word, I would say overall it was very reassuring every step. I felt very calm, and I didn't have a lot of my anxiety provoked, which is a great thing.